Well, g'day. We're up here in Brisbane today, heading out of Royal Queensland Motor Yacht Club on one of my latest listings. This is a 2005 Riviera M370 Sports Cruiser. I know I've said it before and I'll say it again, this has to be one of the best bang for buck 40-foot sports cruisers that you can get on the market. I'm going to tell you why today. Come along for the ride. Let's take a closer look at this very special 2005 Riviera M370 Sports Cruiser. Now the M370s are renowned for the width and stability. Measuring at 3.92 meters wide, this is where you really notice it. With a huge U-shaped dinette table here, adjacent to the wet bar with a fridge and TV. You've got a forward-facing lounge on the port side and a helm conveniently located here, so the captain and the crew can all interact together and no one's separated. Up here at the helm, it's fit with a Raymarine Axiom chart plotter and depth sounder, Muir chain counter, Fusion stereo controller and a SmartCraft digital monitoring system for the engine. Now as you come downstairs, that's when you really appreciate the layout and design of the M370 and how they've managed to fit so much into this size boat. You've got centre access stairs down the middle with a portside galley which is well equipped, the fridge, microwave, cooktop and plenty of bench space as you can see. And then your aft cabin to your starboard side, saloon midship and then forward cabin master with the head running off that one. So the saloon lounge downstairs actually converts into 2 bunk beds. That means this boat can sleep 6 people comfortably. This is a very easy conversion. The backrest here hinges up, clips onto the ceiling, and with an infill piece that's tucked in behind, goes in the bottom, you've got one large single on the bottom and a single on top. The kids really love this feature. Well, that's it guys, we've just entered the harbour here at Manly and that concludes this video walkthrough on this recently listed 2005 M370 Sports Cruiser. Please click the link in the comments below to view more information on this boat and to make an inquiry to inspect it yourself. My name is Sam Phillips from Marine Jones, Riviera and Belize, and I look forward to welcoming you on board very soon. See you on the next video.